Most people think AI millionaires appeared overnight, like magic, like luck chose them. But what if I told you the truth is far more powerful and far more achievable than you think? Welcome back to FutureCapital, where we break down money, opportunities, and the real strategies behind building wealth in the AI-driven world. And today you are about to understand what truly separates those who watch the AI revolution from those who quietly build fortunes inside it. You have already learned how jobs are changing, how to protect your income, how to create new income streams, and how to start investing even from zero. But now we go deeper into something everyone talks about and very few truly understand. AI millionaires and the real story behind their success. Across the world, artificial intelligence is not just a trend. It is a massive economic shift that is reshaping industries, businesses, and personal wealth at an unprecedented speed. And according to global research, AI could contribute over $15 trillion to the economy by the end of this decade, while billions of dollars are being invested into AI startups every single year, creating opportunities that did not exist even 5 years ago. But here is the reality that most people ignore. Only a very small number of people become millionaires instantly, while the majority of real wealth in AI is built slowly, strategically, and consistently over time, through smart decisions, disciplined actions, and long-term thinking. The difference is not luck, and it is not timing alone. It is how these individuals use AI differently from everyone else around them. They do not simply work harder. They leverage AI to multiply their output, automate repetitive work, and scale their efforts far beyond what one person could normally achieve, turning small ideas into global opportunities without needing massive teams or huge starting capital. They do not wait for perfect conditions. They invest early, even with small amounts, understanding that consistency and compounding are more powerful than trying to time the market perfectly. And over time, those small decisions begin to grow into something much larger. They focus on solving real problems instead of chasing small tasks, allowing AI to handle repetitive processes while they concentrate on strategy, innovation, and identifying opportunities that others fail to see. And most importantly, they do not rely on a single source of income. They build multiple streams, combining AI-driven businesses, digital products, consulting, and investments, creating a system where money flows from different directions instead of depending on just one. Now here is the truth that most people never hear. Many of these so-called AI millionaires did not start with huge capital, connections, or perfect knowledge. They started small, often with nothing more than curiosity, a willingness to learn, and the discipline to keep going when results were slow. Imagine someone starting with a simple skill, learning how to use AI tools to generate a small side income, maybe $500 a month, and instead of spending it, they reinvested into learning, into small investments, into building something of their own. And over the years, that small beginning evolves into a powerful financial system that eventually reaches hundreds of thousands and then crosses into millions. This is not a fantasy, this is a pattern, and once you understand the pattern, you can begin to follow it in your own way. So what does this mean for you right now, at this moment, in your current situation? No matter where you are starting from, it means you can begin by using AI in whatever work you are already doing, even in the smallest ways, to save time, increase output, and create value faster than before. It means you can start learning skills that are not replaced by AI, but strengthened by it. Skills that allow you to work alongside technology instead of being replaced by it. It means you can begin building additional income streams, even if they start small, because small streams, when combined and grown, become powerful financial rivers over time. It means you can start investing consistently, even with small amounts, understanding that time in the market is more important than trying to predict the perfect moment. And most importantly, it means you must think long-term, because real wealth is not built in days or weeks. It is built through consistent action over years, where every small step compounds into something far greater than it seems at the beginning. AI is not a shortcut to instant wealth. It is a multiplier, and it rewards those who take action, who stay consistent, and who are willing to think beyond the present moment. The people you see winning today did not wait. They started when things were uncertain, when tools were new, and when results were not guaranteed. And that is exactly why they are ahead now, and the opportunity is still here, still growing, and still open for those who are ready to move. You do not need to start big. You just need to start now, learn continuously, build patiently, and scale strategically. This is Future Capital, where you do not just learn how to survive the future, you learn how to dominate it. So take action today, commit to your growth, and begin building your AI-driven wealth starting right now.